1 priority group. Those guys are helping out Junior and Nate. Micro Armor, Bassett Wheels, Baldwin, BST, all these guys have done so much to help us get here. I just can't thank them enough. And, we're going to do Coger Plumbing. We just can't thank these guys enough.